to reweb some seat belts for the 93. To get my ass on the floor. That's our old color. This our new color. They're a little dirty, man. A lot of little shoulder dirt. A little neck crud. You know, all that shit get on y'all seat belts. See, I always replace mine, so I ain't got that problem. But that's the old color. It's gonna be the new color. Stick around for it. Take all the old shit, put it off on the new. Bam! Transferred, and 1,000 stitches later, I stitched that ass. That in. One more to go. Tie that piece, make it match, stick his ass in the car. Alright, number 2. Let me take it slow. Number two. Throw the whole damn seatbelt away. Alright, you see my little punch there? That goes in between here. Let me show you. Alright, roll your seatbelt out all the way. Fuzz it to go. See, I got that going through there? Stop it from rolling up on me. Now, I gotta lay it all the way out. That's the old shit. All the way out to the other room, damn near. Alright. Got the new weapon. Say, I'm gonna slow it down. This go round for y'all ass. Put it on to the length I need. Need to be about that long there. Alright, now I done cut it. I'll put it about right here on her. See where I'm joining it at? I'm joining it about 3-4 inches from the inside. Now I'm finna stitch it close. Stitch it down. Alright, you see the formula? So I put about 100 stitches on this over here. Back stitch. Zigzag, zigzag. Alright, I think I got his ass locked down. I do not think he's going anywhere from here. Okay. Let's see, I got brown stitch to the gray. I gotta cut everything off the gray and put on the brown. Alright, now I done slid everything off the gray, onto the brown. Now I'm finna get rid of his ass here. I'm gonna cut that gray one about right in there, watch. Ain't no more gray. Take his ass. Bam, no more gray. You do that here, pull him out. Line him up. Stitch him closed. You good. Alright. Now it's all stitched up. Both of them. Take your ends. Get your lighter. See, if I had a hot knife, I could cut it smooth with a hot knife. There you go. There you got seat belts 101 from your boy Stitch. Let me know what you think. I know it's gonna be something.